They're in Singapore Newport Park. Let's go. Look at the map. Look, there's a lot of pictures in the zoo. AW. Now we go to buy the ticket.
You want me to sit in the back of the car? Where are we going?
We are going to visit the place.
So cute, they have a penguin bow.
I saw penguins are trying to get a fish. Trying to get a fish. That cold, you know, Daddy? Not that cold. The glass is not very cold. But I know the water inside is cold.
Would you like to go in and swim with the penguins?
To go.
Harshest season of all. As food gets harder to find, both parents remain at sea to hunt. They return to the colony fewer than 5 times over the next few months to feed the chicks. Some parents do not make it back at all, and some chicks do not make it to spring.
What do you know? Baby penguins, you see?
Though these magnificent birds live in places so remote from us, the future is intimately tied to the decisions we make. Climate change, driven by human activity, is pushing the penguins' key fishing grounds farther and farther away from the colonies. This makes it more difficult for penguins to find food for their chicks. If the rate of warming continues, over half of the total king penguin population could be lost by the end of the century.
Oh no, that's why we need to save the earth, right?
Can slide down on their bodies.
Like this?
Yeah.
Looks fun. Can you do it too?
I can. I can.
When you're in Finland, right? Not now. Let's go. Oh, this penguin's so cute. Oh, he's jumping up. And then he wants to slide down. This is a playground for him. Look. Say hi. So cute. The penguin is so cute.
Why is the body so From there, they just swim in the water, swim to the coast, go down. Hey, penguin is flying. Oh, it's there, but when we have penguins,
Penguin cannot fly. Penguin can only fly in the right side. But this
You walk like a penguin. Penguins in the hole? Can you find it? Where? Inside. Yes, follow daddy. Look, can you see the birds flying above you? Where are the birds? Yeah. Up on top, right? It's flying.
Don't touch it, keep it there. Keep it away outside. Do not keep dirty food.
No eating and drinking. Keep your jewelry out of sight. Alright. Tell me if you spot a bird, okay, Tia? Okay? Yes, Shaka? Oh, the birds will come and eat your hairband or not? They like jewelry, you know? What is it? It looks like a tree, right? It's over there. What's that?
It's a big tail.
Black cartoon.
What is it?
Black cartoon.
Black cartoon?
Black.
What did he tell you again?
Tail black cockatoo.
Red-tailed black cockatoo. What is it here?
Yellow. Cockatoo.
Yeah, good job, black cockatoo.
Mommy.
Yeah? Oh, yeah, there are more colorful birds over there. Can you see them? They're on the... Yeah, it's over there. Which one do you see? Go, go. Show me. This one! Is it cute?
I like birds.
Really?
Mine
You want to bring my mic here?
will be so frightened.
Yeah, that's right. 8 years. Shall we go and find more birds?
Now Tessa, the seat is too low. I'm
Why?
gonna put down the cover. Right? Tell mommy why you want to put the cover down?
Because there's jewelry.
Alright. You're worried the birds will fly to you, right?
She already the birds are poo poo on her.
Okay, let's go and find more birds.
One more bird.
Go, spot. Yeah. What color are they? What color are they?
So sharp.
Tessa got sharp eyes. She spotted this pink and white bird. I think it's a parrot. Is it a parrot? Bird is big. Is it big? You wanna go and say hi? You wanna go say hi?
Okay.
You're scared. Okay. Let's go. Are you scared? Look, the bird is just there. No, don't be scared. Just now you were so excited, weren't you? What? Really? It's not a jewelry. What is the duck doing? He's standing on one leg. Let's go.
Continue the game.
We have to go and find another egg at another enclosure.
Let's go, mommy. It's so scary.
It's so scary, yeah. But they are very loud. Are they very loud?
They're really loud. It's so loud. It's so loud, Mom. It's so loud.
It's okay, we're going out, okay?
Go out, Mommy. Go out.
Okay, we're going out. Don't worry.
Okay, Mommy.
Are you brave? You did it. You were a brave girl. You did it. You did it, yeah? Well done. Heart of Africa. Let's go look at more birds. Look there. Look, flamingos. Yeah? Oh, that's how flamingo walk? How? How they stand? One leg up. You can do it, you can do it. Be like a flamingo, one leg up. Can you do it? Yay, good job. Good job.
Toucan.
It's a toucan.
But at the white part, there's a little bit of a blue circle.
Oh, I see. You learned that in school?
Yes. Oh yeah, I did. And then the eye was a little bit blue.
The tree. Are they flowers? They are birds. Ooh, what?
But the box so interesting. Side by side.
Side by side.
Yeah, like this.
Like this. What color was it?
Orange.
Oh, so fitting. You're wearing a flamingo bracelet today to see the flamingos.
But the flamingos here are white and pink.
Yeah, you saw two kinds, right?
This one is the Princess Flamingo.
Princess Flamingo.
Yeah, that's actually called the baby flamingo. Pigeon?
It's the kind of pigeon. Yes, you want to go in?
Yeah.
Why not?
Mommy,
There's someone waiting for you inside. Just stay here and say hi.
Go.
Say hi.
Can you see the other side? So play chess with you. And drink tea. Yeah,
Say hi.
some tea party.
What are you doing? There's a game in the bird paradise. Supposed to find the eggs and then solve a puzzle, right? Can you find the last word?
After lunch, after moving off, please remain seated at all times and no eating and drinking on board. Thank you.
let's go on the tram.
Did you have fun playing the game?
Yeah. Are we going to collect the prize?
What do you get? What are you eating? Oh dear, we forgot to take a video of the ice cream.